我是素食主义者。我是素食主义者。
我 means I. 是 means to be. Here means am. 素 means vegetables and tofu stuffs. 食 one means food. So 素食 means vegetable and tofu stuffs. 主义者 means ist. Noun plus ism or ist. Example, environmentalist in Chinese is 环保主义者. Or you can say,
我不吃肉。我不吃肉。
我 means I. 不 is negative word. Here means don't. 吃 means eat. 肉 means meat. See this character 肉 is very vivid. It look like meat, isn't it? Or you can say,
我只吃素的。我只吃素的。
我 means I. 只 means only. 吃 means eat. 素的 means vegetarian food. Here omit 东西.
Or you can say, 我只吃素菜。我只吃素菜。
我 means I. 只 means only. 吃 means eat. 素 means vegetable or tofu or bean stuffs. 菜 means vegetable or dishes. So 素菜 here means vegetarian dishes.
You're in the Chinese restaurant. If you are not sure which dish has meat, you can ask waitress. You can say, 服务员，服务员，哪些菜是没有肉的？哪些菜是没有肉的？
服务员 means waitress or waiter. 这里 means here. 哪些 means which, it's plural. 哪个 is which one. 菜 here means dishes. 是 blah blah 的 is for emphasis. Here emphasis for 没有肉。没有 means don't have. 肉 means meat. Or you can say,
服务员，哪些菜是素的？这里哪些菜是素的？
服务员 means waiter or waitress. 这里 means here. 哪些 means which for plural. 菜 means dishes. 是 blah blah 的 the structure of emphasizing on something. 素 means vegetable or tofu or beans. What if the non-vegetarian dishes that you like and you really want to eat? Then you can say this sentence to waitress or waitress in Chinese restaurant. 这个菜可以做不加肉的吗？ means this. 个 is measure word. Noun here is dish. 可以 means can. 做 means cook. 不 is negative word. Here means don't. 加 means add. 肉 means meat. 的 is for noun. Here noun is dish. Omitted. 吗 is for general question. Put in the end. So 这个菜可以做不加肉的吗 means can the chef cook this dish? Don't add meat, please. Or you can change 不加肉 to 全素。全 means all. 素 means vegetable or tofu or beans stuffs. So you also can say 这个菜可以做全素的吗 Do you eat vegetarian food in Chinese? Sometimes they have another meanings. Let's have a look at this one.
你是吃素的吗？我可不是吃素的。
Are you curious about Chinese-style vegetarian food? Let's have a look. Hope this video can help you. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and click like to support me. More videos will upcoming. There are online Mandarin classes are available if you would like to join. Feel free to contact me. 谢谢。